Hello, my name is Jennifer Westrick, and I teach in the Gifted program in the DeKalb County School District. I would like to propose a program that will help increase the number of minority students in our Gifted program. With over 100,000 students in our district, 88% of the population are minorities. Of that minority population, only 64% are identified as gifted. Minorities are underrepresented in our Gifted program. My program will train teachers to use Torrance's creative positives of disadvantaged children in identifying creatively gifted children to increase the number of minorities in our Gifted program. As Paul Torrance once said, you need courage to be creative. Just as soon as you have a new idea, you are a minority of one, and being a minority of one is uncomfortable. It takes courage. So have the courage to increase the number of minority students in our Gifted program and fund my project on teacher training of Torrance's creative positives.